Midnight, hear the bells strike once. No warning, no rush, just a spark in my chest when the clock says enough. Quiet room, holding still, ash in the air I can feel. Didn't mean to light the flame, but the night gave it a name. I fell at first sight, but I looked away. Didn't trust my heart, didn't trust my faith. You were too beautiful to love careless, so I chose control over reckless. I buried sparks, I bit my tongue, told myself this couldn't run. But closeness feeds what silence hides. Every moment lit the fire inside. I didn't plan to let it grow, but some heat just won't say no. Fire. We had peace before the truth. Now every word cuts bulletproof. Not destroyed, just rearranged. Love leaves marks, not just flames. I miss the calm, the beat for the ease, but I won't lie just to keep the peace. I don't regret the heat I chose, I just mourn what I outgrew. Some burns linger under skin, still I choose this fire again. I don't hide from what I feel, I don't fake what's real. It's a wildfire, still burning under skin, still the strongest thing within. I don't put it out, I stay living with the flame I chose. It's a wildfire. I don't need it to be safe, I don't need it return. If love is staying away, then I'll live with what I've learned. I won't burn myself to be safe, but I'll guard this heat to the grave. I don't run, I don't deny, I don't pray for it to die. It's a wildfire, still glowing in my veins, still standing